The dosing funnel solves a lot of the problems associated with mess when dosing freshly ground coffee into the portafilter of your manual espresso machine with a built-in grinder. Start by fitting the funnel onto the top of the portafilter, like this, twisting it into place to secure firmly. This creates a funnel to help the delivery of coffee into the portafilter. Insert the portafilter into the grind cradle and either nudge the portafilter forward or press the grind button, depending on your machine model. When your grind is complete, take out the portafilter and tap around the edges to distribute the grounds evenly. You can also tap the portafilter down on the bench to settle the grounds, like this. While leaving the funnel in place, you can now finish with a level, firm tamp against your benchtop. Remember to remove the dosing funnel before you insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. If by any chance it was to get stuck in the group head, simply remove it by inserting the portafilter again and twisting it in reverse to release. Enjoy less mess and less waste with the dosing funnel.